What kind of monster was this, guys? Look at this.
Miroir, dis-moi qui est le plus beau.
Yeah, and what the hell was that? Tell me in the pin comments, guys, if you know what is this. Cause I don't have idea. I don't have idea like this, guys.
It's time for you to go. Is this scary?
Sorry for that, guys. Coming. Is this now, guys? Now tell me what's this now.
इन लोगों ने देखा कि
Tell me what's this. Are you okay? What's that? It looked like Michael or it looked like MJ. So that's curse. If you know if you know, are you okay? Guys, tell me in a pin comment.